Alright, I just installed this S&S Sidewinder 2-in-1 exhaust. It's the version with no cats. Didn't see very many videos with the sound of this one, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste. It's a little bit quiet at idle with like a really deep tone, but once you get on throttle, man, it is pretty loud, especially for a Milwaukee 8. So here we go. That's the sound of the S&S Sidewinder 2-in-1 racing version. Has no cats, and the decibel reducer is removed, and the engine is a 107.